Hello everyone, welcome to ACEBOTT's assembly video. Today we are assembling the Tank Expansion Pack QD004. Let's get started. Take the parts out of the package and check the parts against the parts list. If any parts are missing, please contact support at ACEBOTT.com. Please combine videos and assembly documentation to build the product accurately. Install the second one in the same way. Note, here you need to select the fixed hole position is at the rear. Note, do not tighten it so tight, because you need to turn it in the next step. Install the second one in the same way. Note, this row of holes of the track is mounted against the inside and then snaps into the wheel's gears. Rotate the load-bearing wheel at the rear wheel assembly inward. And then install the tracks. After installing the tracks, return the load-bearing wheel to its original position and finally tighten the screws.